If you have an Instagram account, you should turn on two-factor authentication, one of the best ways to protect your Instagram account from getting hacked. So in this quick video, I'll show you how to turn it on. And I post easy to follow Instagram and social media videos on this channel every single day, so please consider subscribing. All you have to do is press the three lines on your page. So jump into your Instagram account, go to your profile page, press the three lines on the corner, and here, go to Settings. On the Settings page, click on Security here, right under Privacy. And on this page, there's an option called Two-Factor Authentication. Now, there's three options here that you could choose to use two-factor authentication. The easiest one is text message. So all you have to do is jump into the text message page, make sure this is turned on, and Instagram is going to send you a text message if you try to log into Instagram from a different device. This is very useful because if someone else tries to log in, it's going to send you a text message and they won't be able to, even if they know your username and password. Another option is using backup codes. So there is a set of codes that you could go ahead and save somewhere else and type those in. And the recommended option is the first one is the Authentication App. So you could actually go ahead and turn this on and install an authentication app from the App Store and use that to authenticate. So if you press Install App, it's going to recommend one of the authentication app that Instagram likes, and it's going to go through the process of setting it up. Or if you don't want to install anything, you could go ahead with the text message option, which is the middle one here, or the backup codes, which is the last one. And that's one of the best ways to keep your Instagram account secure with two-factor authentication. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech and social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching again.